Alright guys, today we are picking a Assa twin exclusive. This is one of my favorite locks in the big chunky Assa padlock. I don't think I've ever picked this lock on video. I've picked twin exclusives before, but never this particular core. Ooh, that's not good. None of my top pins are binding. Oh yeah, she's gonna bind sidebar first. Which might be a blessing and might be a curse. We will see. Okay, 4 is set. Did I drop anything? I think 2 needs to go up another gate. One is set, 2 feels set, 3 feels set. I dropped 4. Alright, got my third click out of 4. Five is binding. Come on, 5. You're the last one left. Okay, I think we're there. I'm going to crank tension. Try to check these sidebar pins to see if anything feels like it needs to go up another gate. Because I would really hate to get halfway through the top pins and realize that I have to come back and set a sidebar pin. I think they're set. Why I have the second tensioner in my hand. Alright, let's see. I'm maintaining my heavy tension right now just because I don't know how much tension I can afford to drop and keep that sidebar. Oh, this keyway is horrible. I forgot how bad this keyway is. Okay, now that I've got a false set on the top side, let's go check our finger pins again and make sure everything's happy. I don't want to get too deep into this and have to come back. Everything feels set. That is a good sign. As long as I don't drop too much tension here, should be able to get an open on this guy pretty quick. Alright, so 6 is set, 5 is set. 4 is stuck in the milling. I think I got 4 out. It's questionable. Let's go check. 3 is binding. I think I got 3 out of the milling. Two is binding. Okay, let's go check again. 6 is set. 5 is set. 4 feels set. Three feels like it's stuck in the milling. 2 feels set. 1 feels set. So I'm going to double check, but I think I just need to get 3 out of the counter milling. maybe even 4. Okay, I gotta click out 4. Still doesn't feel like it's out of the counter milling. Okay, 4 fill set. Let's go check again. 6 is set. 5 is set. 4 fill set. 3 just set. Alright, I'm missing something. Touch 5 and got back to a deeper false set. Four is stuck in the milling. Alright, I just got 4. Alright, 6 is set. 5 fill set. Well, it's not the sidebar. Let's go see what we can find. I'm going to switch to a different hook profile here. This is not the one I wanted. So multi-pick V04. It's a 15 thousandths hook. A little bit narrower shank. Maybe I can get up in there. All right. 6 fill set. 5 fill set. 4 does not fill set. Come on. I think it's pin 1 here. It's causing me issues. Let me see if I can find a different hook. Let's go check. there it is. Not a bad time. 10 minutes. Given how rusty I am, I have no complaints about that. Alright, let's get a pinning tray ready. Shows you just how big that lock is. This is a Assa 2 in comparison. Massive size difference. Oh, what do we need here? We need a Phillips screwdriver. This is a key and knob cylinder. And it might actually be key retaining. There we go. There's the core, kit cap. Gotta remember that this is on the S side. Okay. Oh yeah, that top cover's real loose, so I will use a follower to get key pins out, and then I'll switch to pulling the drivers out through the top, because that's a pain in the butt. We need a key to keep the finger pins from flying. And to turn the core. Okay. Oh, this isn't good. I don't know where my pinning tweezers are. Oh, they're there. All right. So sidebar. Drop down in there. Sidebar springs. Get another sidebar spring. There we go. Alright. I'm going to do top pins, so let's start with 6. Get a pick and poke them out of there. Oh, I've got the key in it. That ain't going to work. Alright, that worked. Alright, so key pin 6, key pin 5. And I think I'm lucky that this lock doesn't have wild bitting or anything, because this keyway, the Assa 851 keyway, is brutal for high lift pins. Because you just can't get any feedback. Alright, so those are out of there. Let's get our finger pins out. So I've got a couple springs hanging out in the core here. Another one. Don't worry, we're almost done. Alright, that's all our finger pin springs. We are done with that. Just take this top cover off and get some drivers out. Okay, so which way is the front of the core? I'm guessing I don't know. I'm thinking it's gonna be this way. Yeah, we'll call that the front of the core. So pin 1. Alright, driver 1, driver 2, driver 3, driver 4, driver 5, and 6. There's a lot going on in that lock. Give me a second to get things organized and I will give you guys a nice close-up of the pins. I think I got the drivers mixed up. They don't look balanced. It'll be alright. Alright, show you this keyway. This is the Assa 851 keyway. And as you can tell, the reason why it's so horrible is your pick has nowhere to go. So when you're trying to get to high lift pins, you just don't have anywhere to move. Set a key up here for the viewing pleasure. Alright. It's a pretty fun little lock if you like pain. Thanks for watching, guys.